The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had appealed to people for the Har Ghar Tiranga movement by hoisting the Tiranga home to mark the 75th year of India's independence from today till the 15th of this month. The Har Ghar Tiranga campaign kicked off today. The state chapter of the program was organized by the Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya in collaboration with Indian Council for Cultural Relations at Usosotham Auditorium. Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy and Chief Secretary D.P. Watlang were present amongst others. Speaking on the occasion, Lakshman Rimboy said that it is a very important day as we emphasize on the importance of our national flag. The program saw the participation of students from various schools in the city, artist groups from different areas of the state and senior citizens. West Janta Hills District also today joined hands to observe the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign.
अमृत महोत्सव
I'm going to visit our Honorable Prime Minister, Narendra Modi, who reminds us that national flag is the pride of nation. National flag, we should, as the fabric has been mentioned, should have in our heart.